To share highlights from your meeting, simply visit the dashboard where you can find the tab marked Highlights. Click the drop-down menu to see the highlights embedded in a full transcript or the highlights extracted and isolated. Our recommendation is focus on the highlights rather than reliving your entire meeting. It's just more efficient. Then select any of the individual highlights or all of them that you want to share. You can choose to share them either via email, with attendees, collaborators, or yourself. You can also push the highlights into your integrated Salesforce account or deliver them to Slack so your team can see the action items. If you selected the email option, you get an email that looks like this. The details of the meeting are clearly marked, and the highlights you selected are here to be reviewed or shared for later.